Okay, so today we are going to be working on this D105 John Deere. It's going to be the drive pulleys down on the bottom. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, I'd like to introduce this product here. It was sent to me by this company. I'll put the link in the description of their Amazon store. These are going to be high quality pulleys. It's going to reduce the noise. They're a direct replacement for the OEM. There's two different sizes, of course, and yeah, it's going to be a real nice, easy install today. Let's get right on it. Next, what we're going to do is to remove that mower deck so we can get underneath, and I'll show you where they're at. Okay, now that we got our mower deck off, there are our pulleys right there. So we are going to take a 15mm socket and take both of those nuts off, and we're going to take one at a time off and put them back on. Okay, I'm going to start with the larger one first. There we go. Now, for time purposes, I'm going to use my electric impact, but you don't have to use this. Also, what I like to do, I like to put some anti-seize on the shaft after I get done putting the new one on. There we go. Okay. There's the other one. New one going on. Let's get a little bit of that anti-seize on there. Okay, now that we got it off, we are going to set our brake. There you go. Now we can just slide our pulley on, like so. Make sure that you got it in the groove on that side. There we are. Put our nut back on. There's the first one. Now the second one. There's our old one. Put our second one on. Make sure it's in the groove. tighten it down. All right, let's check our function. Release our brake. There we are. Make sure we're nice and tight. Okay, easy as that. All right, that's going to conclude this installation video. I appreciate everyone following along, and please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll put the link in the description of this product. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.